This video is going to be all about polynomials, and it's going to try and teach it from the very basics. So assuming you have no knowledge of polynomials, you've never seen them before, and this series of videos is going to go right up to a place where you'll be able to attempt exam questions with a good foundation. So I'm going to start off with the most basic, the most primitive form of a polynomial, and it's going to look like this. It's going to say p brackets x is going to equal 2x. So that's a polynomial. That's a line on a graph. It's the line y equals 2x, if you want to picture that in your head. And then I'm going to say, right, so when x is equal to 1, what is p of x? What is p of x? So in order to do that, what we have to do is quite simply take this x equals 1 and put it in here, so we get p of 1, and then because our x is 1 on the left hand side, our x is going to be 1 on the right hand side. It's the same value, so we're going to get 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. We can try it with another number. We can say when x is equal to 5, then what is p of x? What is p of x there? So then we do exactly the same. We say p of 5 is going to be equal to, here, 2 times by 5, 2 times by 5, which is equal to 10. So that's a polynomial in its basic form, and I'm going to give you another one, a little slightly different one. So I'm going to say on this side we're going to go, so we're going to have p, I'm not going to use a p actually, I'll use a different letter so we don't get confused. I'll use g of x. So g of x is going to equal 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. So then I'm going to say at x equals 1, what is g of x? Well, g of x, you're going to get g of 1 is going to be equal to 3 times by 1 minus 5, which is going to be minus 2. And then here again I can say, what is g of 5? What is g of 5? Well, we can do that again. So 3 times by 5 is going to be 15. Take away 5 is going to be 10. So there we have a basic kind of introduction into what is a polynomial, what does it look like, and when they say p of x equals 2x, what is p of 10, then hopefully you know what to do after that. So that's a basic introduction, and in the next video I'll go on to something a little bit more complex.